Hello, this is Rohan Masiwal from ISM Institute of Stock Market. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing very good and having a good trading week. Now, as we have analyzed in the previous videos and we have shown you also that with the help of the trend line that market has made a dozy upon the resistance level and now the market has broken its low and is shifting downward. Now, as we have seen in the previous sessions that market opened with a gap down and is taking a support level from 17,400, and which the crucial support that used to be around 17,600 has now converted into resistance. So this is the key here. If I shift the chart on the hourly time frame, you can see that the crucial support which lies above the level of 17,600 is now been converted into a resistance area. The high wicks here are showing exactly this, that the resistance level is working, and now the support level is around 17,400. As of now, the Nifty is taking support from 17,400. If it breaks this level, we can also see further downside. Now the further downside can be more devastating to the market, and the levels that we can expect to see in coming sessions are about 17,000 range, right? So this range can be seen in the market, and the new support level would be around here only, 17,000 to 17,050 rupees. So this is the range that can be seen in the coming sessions. I hope you understand this analysis. Thank you for your time, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.